Today we're gonna go get the best chicken in Oahu at Ray's Chicken in North Shore. We have been going there for over 20 years, and I hate it when people say this, but it was our favorite place to eat amongst the locals before it got super popular, and now everybody knows about the place. But anyways, this is our family's favorite spot, and every single one of us are super excited to drive over an hour to go get this chicken. North Shore is also famous for their garlic shrimp, but we rarely go to that one. We always get the chicken. I also love the town of Haleiwa, but again, it used to not be like full of tourists. It wasn't like a popular spot back then. And I know I'm technically a tourist, but Hawaii is like a second home to us, and we don't really feel like traveling when we're there. So anyways, this is the Ray's chicken. The way they make it like this hasn't changed over the decades. They definitely added a lot of stuff on the menu. Back then, they only had chicken, just chicken. Now they have like rice and oh my God, the price has tripled. It's $14 now. It used to be like $5 for a whole chicken. But yeah, one thing that's good that has changed over the years is that they cut up the chicken for you. They used to not cut the chicken. You just get a whole chicken. And you have to like rip it apart with your hands. And the chicken's super hot, so we used to burn our hands all the time. Oh my God, I don't know how to explain how good this is. It's so good. My kids are eating one whole chicken each. Like they would eat it in like 15 minutes. It's so flavorful, and the flavor is like really inside the chicken, so they don't have a lot of like dry parts or flavorless parts. Also, there are no seating areas or places where you can eat, so you have to eat in your car. I don't really recommend eating outside because there's a lot of flies, so unless you want to share your chicken with the flies, you don't want to eat outside. And make sure you bring a lot of wipes because your hands are going to get so greasy. I'm using a fork here because it was too hot, but after it cooled down, you have to kind of like eat with your hands. But yeah, 100% recommend if you're in the area. If you're not in the area, drive there. I think it's worth it. And if you've had it already, tell me what you think in the comments. Okay, bye.